Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to English Time with me, Miss Aro. Today, we are going to report sentences about facts. It is different from reporting sentences in the present and reporting sentences in the past. Let's see. Here is our today's menu. First, we are going to recap what we have learned so far. And after that, we're going to meet the grammar of the day, which is reporting sentences about facts. After that, we're going to have some practice, and then we're going to end our day by doing a quiz. First of all, let's review and recap our lessons in this unit. So far, we have learned how to report sentences in the past and sentences in the present. When you want to report a sentence, the first thing that you need to do is to check the same verb. Is it say, says, or said? If the same verb is say or says, it means that the speech is in the present. It means that you need to find and change the pronouns accordingly. And after that, you need to be careful with the verb. If the verb in the direct speech is a verb 1. Yeah. And then, if the same verb is said, it means that the speech was in the past. Your job is to find and change the pronouns accordingly. After that, roll back the verb in the direct speech to the past, and then change the time expressions. But guess what? Those rules above don't matter if the sentence that you are going to report is about facts. Let's learn how to report sentences about facts. Let's take a look at this picture. Do you remember Mrs. Vasu? Yes, guess what? This is Mrs. Vasu and her husband. They were on the trip in Europe. When she was taking this photo, she said this sentence. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, she said. When was her holiday? It was in the past, right? So, this sentence, the Eiffel Tower is in Paris, was said in the past. So, you can write the direct sentence like this. Mrs. Vasu said, the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Now, how do you report Mrs. Vasu's sentence? This is how you report Mrs. Vasu's sentence. Mrs. Vasu said that the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Why do you need to use is? Because it's a fact. It was true in the past, it is true now, and it will be true in the future because it is a fact. The Eiffel Tower was in Paris when she took this photo. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris right now, and the Eiffel Tower will be in Paris until maybe the end of days. So it is very, very unlikely that it will change. That's why you call it a fact. When you are reporting a sentence about a fact like this, you do not change anything. That is quite easy, right? Now let's try and report the sentences. Number 1. She said, my name is Nana. How do you report the sentence? Yes, it is a fact. So, you don't change anything besides the pronouns like this. Okay? Her name was Nana in the past. Her name is Nana right now. and her name will be Nana forever until the day she dies, right? Because it is very unlikely that she will change her name. So you call it a fact. Now, number 2. The teacher said, "The sun rises in the east." Is this a fact? Of course, it is a fact. It will be true until the end of days, right? So how do you report this? The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. No changes at all. Number 3. He said Muslims pray at least 5 times a day. Is it a fact? Yes, it is a fact. That's what we do as Muslims, right? So how do you report the sentence? He said that Muslims pray at least 5 times a day. That's it. That's reporting sentences about the fact. So you don't need to change anything because it was true in the past, it is true now, and it will be true in the future. Now let's put your knowledge to practice. Now let's report these sentences. I need you to get a piece of paper or your notebook, and after that I want you to report these sentences. Be careful with the same verb. Check the same verb first. Is it says? Is it say? Or is it said? Right? That is the key to your success in changing direct speech into indirect speech. Okay? After you see the same verbs, check the direct sentence. Is it about facts or not? If it is about facts, you know what to do, right? Okay, good luck guys. I'm going to post the assignments in the Google Classroom. It means that you need to take a photo of your work and submit it in the assignment post. Okay, you have 10 minutes to do it. You can pause the video and you can continue the video later. Okay, now we have come to the end of the road. It's quiz time, guys. Let's have some fun in quizzes. But first of all, thank you so much for listening to my explanation. If you still have questions, do not hesitate to contact me. That's it for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.